Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best computer desk is probably one of the most essential pieces of furniture for any modern home office or workspace, especially when you need a dedicated spot for your printer. This isn't just about having a place to put your computer, it's about creating an organized, efficient, and comfortable environment that boosts productivity and minimizes clutter. Imagine a sleek, functional desk that not only houses your monitor and keyboard but also integrates your printer seamlessly, keeping it within reach yet out of the way, transforming your workspace into a streamlined hub of activity. Number 5. Topeakmart 3-Tier Rolling Computer Desk. Introducing our 3-tier computer desk, designed to fit perfectly in small spaces. It offers multiple shelves to keep your essentials organized and within reach. This workstation features dedicated tiers for your printer, CPU, and even a side rack for notebooks. Everything has its place, making storage neat and orderly. Move it anywhere with ease thanks to its 4 smooth casters. 2 of these are lockable, providing stability when you need it, so it stays right where you want it. The smooth slide-out keyboard tray offers comfortable typing. A small adjacent rack is perfect for keeping frequently used items handy. Crafted from high-quality particle boards and sturdy iron tubes, this desk is built for long-lasting durability and reliable use. With its stylish black and gray design, it adds a modern charm to any study room, office, or dorm. It's the perfect blend of fashion and function. What we like. This desk offers excellent organization with multiple shelves for printers, CPUs, and small items. Its lockable casters provide mobility and stability. If you need a versatile desk that can be easily moved and offers ample storage for various items, this is a great choice for small spaces. What people say. The desk has a dedicated space for the printer, which is very convenient. I love the design of this desk, it's modern and fits well in my office. The build quality is excellent, and it feels very sturdy. Number 4. Homsee L-shaped computer desk with storage. Enjoy a generous amount of room for all your work essentials. This large desktop easily accommodates monitors, books, and files, providing ample space for your productivity. Keep your workspace organized with its smart storage options. The integrated cabinet offers both open shelving and drawers, perfect for files, supplies, or even your printer. This corner desk cleverly combines a spacious writing surface with integrated storage. Its reversible design allows you to customize the layout to fit your room perfectly. Crafted with quality in mind, this desk features a durable, scratch-resistant surface and sturdy metal legs. It's designed to withstand daily use and is easy to maintain. Setting up your new workspace is straightforward with the included manual. Should you have any questions, our support team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. What we like. This L-shaped desk provides a generous work surface and integrated storage with drawers and shelves, perfect for keeping your office tidy. The reversible cabinet allows for flexible setup. If you're looking for a spacious and adaptable corner desk that combines ample workspace with convenient storage, this is an excellent option. What people say. The desk has a dedicated space for a printer, which is very convenient. The design is modern and fits well with my home office decor. Assembly was straightforward, and all parts were included. Number 3. Tribesigns 63-inch Ergonomic Computer Desk. Experience ultimate comfort with our ergonomic design. The elevated monitor stand promotes a healthy posture, reducing eye strain and neck pain for a more comfortable workday. Enjoy a vast workspace with 2-tiered tabletops. Ample room is provided for multiple monitors, laptops, and all your essentials, perfect for working, studying, or gaming. Keep your workspace tidy with versatile storage solutions. 2 drawers organize supplies, while the adjustable file drawer accommodates legal or letter-sized files. It even doubles as a printer stand. Built to last, this desk features a premium construction for superb durability and a heavy loading capacity. Adjustable foot pads ensure stability on any surface. Assembly is a breeze with labeled parts and clear instructions. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our 24-hour customer service for any assistance you may need. What we like. Designed with an ergonomic monitor stand to promote better posture and reduce strain, this desk offers a comfortable and spacious work environment. It also includes a versatile file cabinet for organized storage. If you prioritize comfort and an ergonomic setup for long work sessions, this desk is ideal for you. What people say. The desk has a dedicated space for the printer, which is very convenient. The design is modern and fits well with my home office decor. Assembly was straightforward, and all parts were included. Number 2. HYPIGO 63-inch white computer desk with storage. This desk offers multiple storage spaces with adjustable shelves, perfect for keeping all your books, supplies, and devices neatly organized and within easy reach. Improve your posture and reduce strain with the built-in monitor stand that raises your screen to eye level. It ensures your head, neck, and back stay aligned for a more comfortable and productive work session. Enjoy a generous, waterproof, and scratch-resistant desktop providing ample space for all your activities. Built with sturdy materials, it's designed to last and support up to 500 pounds. Setting up your new workspace is a breeze. With clear instructions and organized parts, you can assemble it in about 30 minutes, even with no prior experience. We're here to help with a 5-year support plan and responsive customer service. Enjoy a seamless and worry-free experience with your purchase. What we like. This desk features a 3-tier storage shelf and an ergonomic monitor stand to keep your workspace organized and comfortable. Its large, durable desktop provides plenty of room for all your tasks. If you need a sturdy and spacious desk with integrated storage and an ergonomic design, this is a fantastic choice for study, work, or gaming. What people say. The desk has a dedicated space for the printer, which is very convenient. The design is modern and fits well with my home office decor. Assembly was straightforward, and all parts were included. Number 1. DWVO L-shaped desk with drawers. Stay powered up with this desk's integrated charging station. It features multiple USB ports and power outlets to easily charge all your devices, making your workflow seamless. Set the perfect mood for productivity or creativity with smart RGB LED light strips. Control colors and modes through a convenient app, including music sync and timer functions. Keep your essentials organized with ample storage. It includes a file drawer, supply drawers, and open shelves, plus a dedicated printer stand to enhance your efficiency. Crafted from high-quality P2 MDF board with a scratch-resistant finish and a robust metal frame, this desk is designed for stability and long-lasting durability. This elegant L-shaped desk is a stylish and multifunctional addition to any space. It adapts to your needs, serving as a computer desk, storage unit, and more. Perfect for any home office, big or small. Its adaptable design fits seamlessly into corners or work nooks, enhancing your available space. What we like. This L-shaped desk is equipped with a convenient charging station featuring USB ports and power outlets, plus smart RGB LED lighting to set the mood. It also offers extensive storage with drawers and shelves. If you want a modern, tech-integrated desk that keeps your devices charged and your workspace stylishly lit, this is the one for you. What people say. The desk has a dedicated space for the printer, which is very convenient. The design is modern and fits well with my home office decor. Assembly was straightforward and didn't take too long. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.